guys, it is Gabrielle Ishell, and I'm kind of hiding behind my Bath & Body Works bags. I have two huge ones, but I'm really excited to share the new fall and winter scented candles that I got from Bath & Body Works. I was really waiting on the $8 sale for the 3-wick candles, but they had a sale, was buy one get one free, and I also had a lot of coupons I get in the mail. So I used my coupons and the sale. I used like 3 coupons. I'm a couponer. But I used the coupons and the sale, and I spent a whopping $112.78. I had no business doing that, but I was actually running low on candles. I haven't bought any candles since COVID, so now I get to kind of replenish my stock, and I'm really excited. So I'm just going to show you guys what I bought. So I'm going to move the bag to the side for now. Ooh, this one's heavy. I like getting this little holder, I guess candle holder. You can put 6 of them in here. I like this because it's convenient. I can just put this in my cabinet as is for easy storage. So without further ado, let's get on to trying these candles out. So I do like going into the store. I will not buy it online unless I already know what scents that I like, because some of the scents I don't really like. Like the pound cake, the ones that smell like food, I do not like them at all. Like every single one that I smelled, I cannot stand. Like it makes me hungry and it doesn't smell that great. So I'm glad I did actually try to smell those in the store rather than seeing them online and thinking, oh, I might like this, and get it and then not like it. So I actually only really have 2 fall ones, but because fall, I feel like fall is so short. Like fall started in September and it's October already, and I don't have any fall decorations up. So I feel like fall is like almost halfway over, so why get a lot of fall candles when I'm not gonna be really using them after winter comes. So I got 2 fall candles, and I love the packaging on this one. This one, white pumpkin, very, very pretty gold and white, and the lid is also gold. I love that. So obviously it is a 3-wick candle. I like this one because it's not overpowering. It does smell like pumpkin, but it also has like a some type of spice smell. It says it's made with essential oils, and here it lists the oils, and it has pumpkin, autumn spice blend, ground cinnamon with essential oils. So the cinnamon is what I'm smelling. I knew it was some type of spice, but I couldn't put my finger on it. But this is really good. We know that fires can start from candles being left unwatched. So they do have warnings on here to prevent fire and serious injury. You burn candle within sight. You want to keep away from things that can catch fire. Keep away from children and pets, and always trim wicks 1/4 inch before relighting. It also says keep wax pull free of wick trimmings and matches. Do not burn candle for more than 4-hour intervals. Do not extinguish with water, and avoid drafts. And the next fall one I have is called Leaves. And this is a simple packaging. It's brown and it's very fall-esque. Now I do have 2 of the wall plugins in this scent as well, so that's why I knew when I was going into the store that I wanted to get this, because I absolutely love the smell. I have one right there and then one downstairs in my walk entryway. This one, it just smells like fall. It smells a little bit like apple and another type of spice, so let's see what is on here. It has crisp red apple, right? Golden nectar, warm clove spice, and essential oils. And I love to smell them. The wall plugins for this scent are kind of a little overpowering when you first plug them in, but after a few days it does kind of simmer down a little bit. But I'm really excited to burn this candle. Now we'll move on to our scents that are not specific to a season. I have the raspberry mimosa, and this is so pretty. It does smell like raspberries. Very sweet and fruity. Now this one says it has sweet raspberries, rose sorbet, a splash of champagne with essential oils. You can light this one anytime because it's not specific to winter or fall. Next, I have the white tea and sage candle, and I love this packaging as well. They make it look like a fall candle with the packaging. It looks like these are the greenery from the evergreen trees, but I feel like this is a year-round candle. I do also have the wall plugins for this one as well. And this one is very soothing and relaxing, so I feel like if I wanted to do a spa night, this would be my go-to candle because it has a calming effect. Like, I feel like this is the type of candle they have at spas. Like, it's very chill. It's not overpowering, overbearing. It's not too strong. It's just right. So if you want a relaxing candle, if you just want to wind down for the day, this might be the candle for you. And let's see what is in here. So it's called white tea and sage, but the fragrance notes say sparkling bergamot. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'll put the word on the screen. There's white tea, fresh sage, and essential oils. So this is definitely a good one. Next, we'll go into our winter candles. I got quite a few winter candles because I love winter. It's a really good season. The first one I got is Flannel. So this one is a almost army green colored container, and flannel as in the shirt, like the plaid type shirt. And this one has more of a masculine scent. It smells sort of like cologne, but it's not overpowering. Like, I don't like candles that are overpowering, so I think I'm going to keep saying that in all my descriptions because this one is not. There are some at the stores that are a little bit too much for me, but this one definitely is not. It smells like men's cologne, but it's not too strong. It definitely smells like a winter-esque candle. And the next one I got is Eucalyptus Snowfall, and this one is from the White Barn. Actually, a lot of these are from the White Barn. All of them except for the White Pumpkin are from the White Barn collection. And this does smell fresh, like snow, and then also I can smell the soothing eucalyptus. Let's read the fragrance notes. Frozen eucalyptus, snowy spearmint, white lavender with essential oils. So that combo is really good together. This one I feel is also like an aromatherapy type candle that I would use if I were doing an at-home DIY spa night. Okay, next we have Winter Candy Apple. And there were a few apple scents there. One was definitely too powerful for me, but this one I felt like it was a little bit more toned down. We all know how apples smell. Apple candles usually smell the same, but this one has like a sweet smell to it as well. And this one is really pretty too. And they have like the winter design on the candle holder. But let's look at the fragrance notes on this one. It has candied apples, crisp pears, oranges with essential oils. So that's what makes it sweet. The pear and the oranges, they kind of tone the candle down and make it smell a little bit sweeter than a typical apple scented candle does. And next we have the blueberry sugar. This one is a really, really pretty packaging. With the little owl on there. So cute. And the color is blue. I don't think I have any blue colored candles. Now this one, it smells like blueberry. There is a gum, a chewing gum, bubble gum that this reminds me of. I'm gonna have to find it and put it on the screen, but this smells very fruity. Smells just like blueberries. I love it. So the fragrance notes on this one say sweet blueberries, brown sugar, graham cracker crust, and essential oils. Now if you're looking for a very fruity smelling winter candle, this would be the one. This one is it smells very, very good. I don't know about you guys, but I love smelling candles. They are a new love for me. So the very last one, I got wrapped up like this because it was just on the shelf like this, and it was so cute. So it is called Snowflakes and Citrus, and it has a very cute winter design as well. Very, very cute. So let's smell this. This one has more of a kind of masculine scent to it as well. It's not as strong as it was in the store because I can't really put my finger on what it smells like. But we'll read the fragrance notes. It says juicy citrus, fresh spring water, sweet mango, and essential oils. I don't know if I can smell the mango. It does smell very fruity and sweet, but I don't think I can smell the mangoes that it's talking about. Nonetheless, it is a really good smelling candle. I did get 9 candles and I'm very satisfied with these. I'm so glad I was able to go and smell them in the store. And one thing to note about Bed Bath & does anyone else get those two stores mixed up, Bed Bath & Beyond and Bath & Body Works? I always do that. Aww. But one thing about Bath & Body Works, or at least the one that the location that I went in, they only let 10 to 15 people in the store at one time. And everyone, if you touch the candle to smell it, you had to leave it on the counter when you were done, so they would come back behind you and wipe it off and then restock it and put it back up on a shelf if you didn't want it. So I did really appreciate that because they don't want people touching things with coronavirus going on. Everyone like touching things and contaminating things. I really did appreciate that they were taking COVID very seriously and putting those things into place. And they also did wipe down the cash register and key pin every single time that someone used it. So I really did feel kind of safe in there, and I felt like I said before, like they were taking COVID very seriously and doing things to prevent the spread in their store. Now, I did say that I had a coupon, or I had a few coupons, so I got a few things for free. The hemp seed oil hand cream. It does smell calming, and it does say hemp seed oil is supposed to be calming. It conditions your hand, leaves your hands feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. I do like their hand creams because they are thicker than the normal lotion or hand lotion. So I also got the champagne toast shower gel, and this was also free. And I love the candle scented champagne toast. I love that one. It's one of my favorites. So why not get the shower gel if it's free? And then I also got 5 wall plugins because they're always on sale, 5 for $24. So of course I got 5. And I got the white pumpkin that is to match the candle that I got. And then I also got flannel, which matches the candle that I got. So if I really love a scent, I will get them in both the candle and the wall plugin. Blueberry sugar is similar to the blueberry. Oh, it actually is the same blueberry sugar candle. So I got the wall plug-in and the candle. And then I got an aromatherapy called Comfort. I like the aromatherapy ones because they're very soothing and calming. And then I got the eucalyptus mint, and it smells sort of like the eucalyptus and snowfall one, but this one has more of a wintry thing going on with it. So the candle, that is. So I got this because I really do like this scent as well. So yes, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 items for $112, which I think is pretty good. Although I would have rather gotten the 3-wick candles for $8. They usually do that sale every year. But at the same time, since it's COVID and the pandemic is going on, you guys know when there's an $8 sale, those stores, the line wraps around the store and sometimes goes outside. So with the pandemic going on, I didn't want to be around that many people because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are still going to go out for that sale, but I didn't want to be one of those to just put myself in that position where I'm surrounded by 100 people that are waiting in line and everyone's touching the candles. They might not have the staff, adequate staff for that day. I don't know. So I just rather buy the candles with this sale, and I still got a pretty good deal and I needed them anyway, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different for my channel, but this is something that I do enjoy doing. I love Bath & Body Works candles, so I just wanted to share my haul. And I do see a lot of these videos on YouTube and I like watching them as well, so I hope that this video finds the perfect audience who also love watching these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye!